Hello everybody, welcome to our YouTube channel, Campus Activity. Now I'm going to discuss about Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP, solution. Before going to details, I will request you to please subscribe our channel to upgrade your skills with modern technology. Focus on high-demand areas like AI, cloud computing, data science, coding, and cybersecurity through online courses, practical projects, and certifications like Java, J2EE, .NET, C++, C, Oracle, SQL Server, Python, Data Analyst, Power BI, Microsoft Excel, Python, software development, or ERP consulting and implementing. Let's start. Enterprise Resource Planning, ERP. Introduction to ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning. EEP is the integrated management of main business processes, often in real time and mediated by software and technology. ERP is usually referred to as a category of business management software, typically a suite of integrated applications that an organization can use to collect, store, manage, and interpret data from many business activities. Next, what is ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning? ERP is a software system that integrates core business processes such as finance, HR, manufacturing, supply chain, and procurement into a single unified platform. It provides a single source of truth by centralizing data, which reduces errors, automates routine tasks, and enhances operational efficiency across departments. It provides real-time, accurate, and consistent data across departments. It is essential for automating tasks and streamlining operations. Next, streamlines daily operations and automates repetitive tasks. Enhanced reporting enables better insights and data-driven decision-making. Cost savings reduces operational costs by improving inventory management and reducing manual labor. Improved collaboration facilitates seamless communication between departments. Next, common ERP deployment models. Cloud-based, accessible from any location, growing in popularity. On-premise, installed locally on a company's servers. Hybrid, a mix of both cloud and on-premise solutions. Next, 6 benefits of ERP: real-time insights, total financial control, enhanced collaboration, operational efficiency, improved customer experience, enhanced security and compliance. Next, what are the 7 stages of implementation of ERP? The 7 steps of ERP implementation typically involve planning and discovery, system selection, design and customization, installation and data migration, rigorous testing, user training and deployment, go live, and post-implementation support and optimization, focusing on aligning the software with specific business goals, managing change, and ensuring continuous improvement for long-term success. Next, what are the 3 main ERP systems? The 3 common types of ERP, Enterprise Resource Planning systems, categorized by deployment, are on-premise, cloud-based, and hybrid, each offering different levels of control, cost, scalability, and management for a company's business processes. On-premise offers full control on local servers, cloud is web-based via subscription, and hybrid blends both for flexibility, making them popular choices for different business needs. Next, skills for ERP project managers, ERP system knowledge, project management methodologies, technical proficiency, business process analysis, communication and interpersonal skills, leadership and team management, risk management, budget management, and financial acumen. Next, what are the 3 elements of ERP? A successful ERP implementation is typically based on 3 core components. As the heart of the ERP softwares, it is the central data repository shared by all modules. User interface, a visual and user-friendly component that facilitates interaction with the system. Process engine. Next, what are the disadvantages of ERP? Disadvantages of ERP: increase complexity. ERP is an all-encompassing business management tool, and it can be quite complex. There are multiple factors to consider when thinking about switching to an ERP software, more time-consuming. Next, what is the life cycle of ERP? ERP life cycle. The process of its implementation to automate business processes is referred to as ERP implementation lifecycle. It involves several steps and stages right from the start: planning for project implementation, analysis, design, implementation, transition, and operations. Next, how many levels are in an ERP? 3 levels. A typical ERP system is categorized into 3 levels, or tiers: Tier 1, Tier 2, and Tier 3. Each tier corresponds to the scale, complexity, and features of the software. Next, conclusion. ERP helps organizations streamline processes, improve efficiency, and support growth. Please send us mail at clusterindia02@gmail.com or send message at WhatsApp number 891-064-550-7 for ERP consulting and implementing at your office, or you can join our live project training program and certifications on Java, J2EE.NET, C++, C, Oracle, SQL Server, Python, Data Analyst, Power BI, Mississippi Excel, Python, Software Development ERP Solution under Mr. Madhusudan Karmakar. About Mr. Madhusudan Karmakar, Master of Computer Application, MCA, worked on AI at Indian Statistical Institute, Kolkata, Oracle Certified Professional, ITIL Certified, X, Microsoft Certified Solution, Developer X, faculty at Pearson Group, 18 plus years of experience in banking, NBFC, microfinance, and enterprise label solution. Master of ERP Solution Provider.